As always, I'm going to give you grams for all of this at the bottom of the video in the description box, okay? But in here I have a cup of almond butter. It's pure almond butter, no salt, nothing. You can use peanut butter if you prefer. We're going to add 3/4 cups of date syrup, and this is the one, this is homemade, but you can use store-bought. We're just going to mix that well. I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons of almond flour, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. All right, we're just going to mix that well. We have a pretty sticky dough. I'm going to spoon this onto this parchment paper lined baking sheet. I'm going to press these down a little bit. Tell you what, this dough is pretty spectacular. It's going to go in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 176 centigrade for about 12 minutes. Look at these pretty cookies. They're still soft, but the edges are browning, so that's how I know that they're ready. And they smell pretty amazing. So now I'm just gonna let them cool down completely and then we can taste them, okay? They're gonna harden as they cool. Look at these. Oh my gosh, so easy. And they are really, really something special. They're very soft and fudgy. Wow, delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you make these. I think you're gonna love them. I'll see you soon.